Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Let's adjust this lighting. Alright, so I want to start off with a cute shot of my cat because today's video is actually probably not the most positive, but of course we have to address it because we do have some clarity from an actual higher up at Doordash. So I got this. Not sure. I was forwarded it by UDM, who got this email, and basically someone actually legitimately messaged someone who is actually like someone who works for Doordash and is probably sitting in the corporate office. So, I mean, we all know that Doordash knows about Para, and we do know that Para violates their terms of services. I just wanted to make this video because the video I put up the other day of the Riot Upstate YouTuber, John, calling Doordash can come off as a little misleading. And I stated at the beginning of the video that he's going to get some random person in India who's going to answer the phone, and that's not a real person that works for Doordash. So we can't base like our opinions and our obviously jobs and livelihood around what some person in India who honestly has definitely no idea what Para is. I'm sure they don't know, like the customer service agents in India have no idea what Para is. But I'm sure the actual people who work for DoorDash at corporate headquarters definitely knows what it is. My opinion, here look, this is my absolute best opinion on this. I don't think they're going to deactivate people. I think they're going to try to just figure out how Para is finding their tips and stuff and then go through it like that. You know, they're not going to come after the drivers, but that's my opinion. And I don't know, I always relate this back to like cliff diving because that's something extremely dangerous that I do, and obviously we know that this app violates the terms of services and it's dangerous, you know. So it's like, yeah, sure. So like it's like asking someone who doesn't jump off the cliffs and like, hey, is it dangerous to jump off that 50-foot cliff? And they're like, no, I see someone do it all the time. Sure, I'll jump off it then, you know, versus if you ask someone like me who's very well versed and does it for a living, I'm like, no, it's extremely dangerous. You can definitely die. So maybe you shouldn't do that. So you always have to like do like a risk analysis and decide whether this is worth taking the risk for you. Personally, I've said it before. I live in a hotel room right now. When I'm going to go dash like I am like right after I finish this video, I have to cherry pick. And I have to start off the dash with a really good order because otherwise I have to walk half a mile down to my car and stuff. I'm not going to do that for a $5 order or something, you know? So I have to cherry pick. That's why I use the Para app. If you guys want to download the Para app, again, maybe watch this rest of this video. But link is at the top of the description. So if you guys want to download it, download it. I think there's so many other cool features with the app that you can use. So I don't just use it for tip transparency. I use it for the group chat to check out things that other drivers are saying. I also use it to track my earnings. There's all kinds of other stuff. And they have many other things that they are currently developing and should be releasing pretty soon. So take everything I say with a grain of salt because I am a Para user, so I do support the app. So again, if you guys want to, link is at the top of the description. Just click on it, download it. So, all right, I will put the emails right here. So, person who does not want to be named and has been blacked out wrote, can I get clarification on this one? Does Para app violate the terms of services for DoorDash? I believe it would help if you could clarify this. And she is writing, or she or he is writing to Taylor Bennett, which is Global Head of Public Affairs. Someone who actually works for DoorDash. Swear it's not COVID. Hi, thanks for reaching out. It's important that Dashers know that the Para app requires them to share their login credentials, which creates a security and safety risk. That's debatable. Does it really create a safety risk? Security risk? I don't think so. I think that's just their reasoning for not wanting you to use the Para app because they're trying to hide tips from you and they don't want you to get them. But that's just my opinion. Which creates a safety risk and security risk for both Dashers and the DoorDash platform. Oh no, DoorDash is at risk. As elements of the Para app include unauthorized access to and abuse of its DoorDash platform, its use by dashers can be grounds for deactivation. Best, Taylor. So, yeah. That is definitely, like, probably along the lines of what I would assume that they would say. And, man, I wish I understood, like, the tech stuff behind all this, like, how Para is even getting access to this information. And, like, I love the fact that I can get full tip transparency. And just saying this right now, I'm going to turn on my tip transparency so that way I can get full access, because I am waiting for an order. That way I can go start dashing. Gonna make a few bucks before shows today. But yeah, so again, like, I just didn't want any like misinformation going out there that you're totally safe to use the Para app, because again, we don't know if no one's been deactivated, right? No one is going to get deactivated. If anyone's going to get deactivated, it's probably me, just being honest, because I'm the guy who's supporting the Para app all over YouTube and telling you guys to download it. So, I haven't been deactivated yet, and I'm still using it. I'm literally using it right now as I dash. But I just think it's kind of a scheme that Doordash likes to hide people's orders, and that's, in my opinion, it's just not good business. You know, it's like you have independent contractors who are making money from you, and you're making it very difficult for them, because we have to assume, like, oh, we're probably going to get a good order, like a good tip after this. And then if you do this whole order assuming you're going to get a tip and you don't get a tip, and you're like, maybe this was an order that you might not have accepted, but then you did anyway because you're like, oh, it's from Cheesecake Factory, they'll probably tip me after. And you do this whole order, you wait a really long time just to find out you don't get a tip. That's bad business, in my opinion. And that's, again, why I'm supporting the Para app, because I think that what they're doing over there at Para is definitely something that I will support, you know? So anyways, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Maybe check out like other channels like UDM, who has different opinions on Para. So get like I said, get your information from multiple sources. I have one opinion, someone else is going to have a different opinion, someone else is going to have a different opinion. So the answer probably lies somewhere in the middle, and clearly I'm promoting the Para app, so I am going to obviously support them. It is what it is. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I swear to God, I'm not going to make any Para videos for the rest of the week, unless something really pops up. But I just felt like I absolutely had to share this with you guys to be fully transparent and make sure that you guys can make your best decisions. And hopefully I'm not putting out any misinformation out there. I want everything to be as truthful and honest as possible, because all I'm trying to do is help you guys out, try to hopefully expand your mind into different ways of making money other than just Doordash. Again, I'm not trying to be a Doordash channel. I'm trying to be someone who's teaching you guys to look at different ways of making money. And yeah, anyways, I'm going to make a video right after this on this book that I'm reading called Blue Ocean Strategy. So if you guys haven't yet and you guys are thinking about being a business owner or looking into being an entrepreneur, I think Your Next 5 Moves is a great book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the next book you should read. And Blue Ocean Strategy for forming your business and business ideas is great. So I don't know why I'm holding up 8 fingers. Obviously, I didn't sleep very much last night or something. I don't know. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'm tired of talking. Peace, guys. Wait, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and also smash the like button, because this one's probably going to get a lot of dislikes. And also, if you guys haven't yet, join our Facebook group, Rich Driver, Poor Driver, on Facebook. Obviously, because it's a Facebook group. And follow me on Instagram, @Tanner Markley. All right, peace, guys.